The Nigerian Air Force has laid to rest its former Director of Public Relations and Information, Air Commodore Wapkerem Maigida, in a solemn ceremony with full military honors amidst tributes. The event took place at his hometown of Ajikamai in Shendam local government area of Plateau State, where sympathizers and families could not hide their grief at the loss of such an illustrious son who meant a lot to everyone. Speaking at the occasion, Plateau State Governor Simon Along described the late Megida as a man of character who lived an impactful life.
Air Force, I know He will not forget us. Please remember them in whatever you are doing.
In his remarks, Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Oladayo Amao was represented by the Chief of Logistics Air Vice Marshal PD Masiya said, the demise of Air Commodore Maigida has no doubt created a vacuum that could hardly be filled.
There is no doubt that his death has created a gap, not only in the Air Force, but also to his beloved family, his state, and the nation at large. It is therefore our prayer that the Almighty God will grant us the fortitude to bear this great loss. As we mourn his death today, we also celebrate his noble contributions to the Nigerian Air Force and the nation at large.
Commodore Zego, who spoke on behalf of the members of Course 42 of the Nigerian Defense Academy, averred that, in all sincerity, the testimonies of all witnesses on the life of Commodore Maigida have proven to be true.
I can honestly say here that this is what the first burial I have attended, that I concur with such statements, because even if we fact check, we will realize that we are 98% correct.
A member of the 42 regular course of the Nigerian Defense Academy, Air Commodore Maigida was commissioned into the Nigerian Air Force in 1995. He holds a master's degree in security and strategic studies and a Bachelor of Arts degree in history, both from the NDA. Maigida was Deputy Director, Defense Information at the Defense Headquarters, Abuja. He assumed command of the 551 Nigerian Air Force Station, Jos. He equally ascended to the position of the Director of Public Relations and Information. Until his death, he was Director of Civil Military Relations at the Headquarters, Nigerian Air Force, Abuja.